How to find Imei on iPhone. To get started, first of all go ahead and open up the Settings application on your phone. Once you're here, go to General as shown. From here, you can manage your overall setup and preferences for iPhone, such as software updates, device language, CarPlay, AirDrop, and more. Then, tap on About. This section provides details about your device, including the iOS version, model name, model number, serial number, and more. Here, scroll down to the Physical SIM section. As you can see, you can view the IMEI number over here. You can also check the serial number of your phone above if you want to find out your phone coverage information or your phone warranty. You can then also check out the view service options available for your phone if required. Following these steps, you can easily find Imei on iPhone.